Welcome to Passive Wealth Investments update number 13. Now, so what were the big changes this week? Um, this week we was able to add a little more um to the portfolio, and we spent it all on royalty income, as you can see. Right now, if you're staring at the screen, you can see the breakdown between real estate, stocks, and global investments. So instead of having this deposit spread it out evenly amongst the three pies, we put it all into the real estate portion so we can receive the dividend that's going to in turn pay for the loan itself, right? Because you're allowed to borrow, you're allowed to borrow margin on this portfolio, but the margin is treated like a line of credit rather than a loan. So now, what's been going on in the markets? Well, this week the markets have been ripping. Um, a lot of the sectors that were oversold have been seeing increased buying pressure, right? Um, I wouldn't say they're back at all-time highs, but there are certain sectors reaching all-time highs. The S&P is almost at an all-time high, and it's kind of funny. Like when I say ignore the noise, it's actually just truly the truth. You have to ignore the noise because literally, I think about 2 weeks ago, the S&P was like, well, SPY was 737. Now it's about to be 760, the highest it's ever been, right? So you just got to have a competent strategy and perform the strategy no matter what the market's doing, right? And for this portfolio, it's $10 a week. As you can see, we actually got the $10 investment just sitting in cash, right? Now, like I said, as we hit the goals that we want with this portfolio, we're gonna move on to another project. Um, what I wanted to start doing is just reading the article um for each one of these podcast episodes. So let's see. Mm. All right, let's check the news. Top stories. Um, let's read this one. Compass earnings. Compass earnings. Watch for the brokerage home listing market strategy. Investors will be listening for more than just financial results when the brokerage Compass reports the second quarter earnings on Tuesday after the market closes. Excuse me. Stocks rally Monday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average hit a record after President Donald Trump said he would restart talks with Iran, which bolsters investors' hopes of a ceasefire in the Middle East. Like I said, it's pretty much noise. That article wasn't the best. Um, I wish they gave us some more insight why this company's earnings is important. But yeah, like I said, I guess going forward I would have things more thought out and planned out in terms of the news article because this one was a dud. But I'm gonna look more and see why they thought Compass earnings was relevant to make a news article about. But as always, have a great day.